So I just need to pack up for this whole vacation thing. So of course I'll take my casual clothes. Business shirt, of course. Put that in. Perfect. Oh, almost forgot. Can't go without these. Perfect. Alright, ready to roll. Wait a minute. Who's gonna take care of Lady when I'm gone? Here, I'll call Lunar.
Who's calling me? Hello?
Hey, this is Eclipse.
Hi, Clipsy. What you want?
I'm gonna go somewhere for a little while. I need you to take care of my cat for me, please.
Oh, okay. So, I'll be there.
Alright, cool. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Buzz, wake up, bitch. We gotta go.
Alright. So, she's a chill cat. She's not really gonna do anything. So just keep an eye out for her.
Okay.
If she ever gets hungry, I have cat food stored somewhere. Also, if she does the litter box, please fucking clean it.
Okay. Gotcha.
Alright. I'll be out. Goodbye.
Bye, Clipsy. Alright. Now it's just me and you, lady. Where you going? Lady. Okay. So, we're the only ones here. You wanna be on the couch? Oh, this is my pet, Buzz. But, lady, calm down! Down! Look, where are you going now? Oh, my goodness. No. Don't you dare, lady. Lady? Don't do it. No. No. Good. Don't you do it. Okay, just come here, lady. Lady! Oh my goodness gracious, lady! Goodness. Wait a minute. Eclipse forgot his phone! Shit!
Meanwhile.
Okay, here's where I wanted to go. I put my essentials in the bathroom. I'm just gonna leave. Okay, that was weird. Alright. Now to get settled in. There we go. Now to just call it. Wait a minute. Where's my phone? Oh, damn it!
Oh, this is bad. This is very, very bad. You're back already?
No. That's my phone, isn't it?
Yes.
Give it to me. Thank you. Oh, I'm also dumb. I forgot my laptop.
Did you really fly all the way back here just to get the stuff you forgot?
Yes. How's Lady, by the way? She okay?
Lady's okay.
Cool. That's good. All right. Well, I'll be gone again. Goodbye.
Bye. And speaking of which, I probably forgot my phone. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I'm back with my phone. What happened here? Lady! Bad lady. Go to your bed. Are you okay, Buzz? Don't worry. This cat's gonna pay. You have meowed your last meow. Get your ass over here! Wait, don't you do it! Don't do it! No! No, please, I was kidding. I didn't mean it. Lady. Don't you dare, lady. Don't shoot. I can't. Fuck. Okay. Calm down, Lunar. At least he's not.
Finally, okay. I got my essentials, got my important essentials. Don't uncover that. Alright. Now, I should be okay. I have my phone. I have my clothes. It should be all good to go. Alright. Let the vacation begin.
What am I gonna do? Oh, Eclipse is gonna be so mad. Shit. Okay. Lunar, calm down. There has to be a solution. What solution is there? I can't. I flushed the cat down the toilet. Buzz? You're alive! Oh, I thought I lost you. Okay, more importantly, I need to go find Lady. I need to... Oh, there you are. Oh, my goodness. I really thought I lost you. You smell like shit. You need to take a bath. Lady, sit down. Sit down, lady. Sit. Sit down. Good girl. Alright, now to rid the... Where the fuck's the shampoo? Did Eclipse take it with him? No matter. Good old soap and water. Alright. Lady! It's fine. It's all fine. Just try to wash you. Sit down. Lady, sit down, lady. Hey, I need a break. Hey, Buzz. Yeah, I know she's mean. Yeah, I thought so too. Eclipse says she's chill, but she's not that. She is really not that great. What do you mean you'll take care of her? You're a fucking bee, Buzz. Okay. Well, I'll be here supervising. Hey, lady, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah, I know you tried, Buzz, but I guess lady doesn't like bees. You, Missy, need to calm down. Hello?
Hi, Lunar.
Hi. How's your vacation?
Oh, it's going great, actually. I'm quite enjoying myself here. How's Lady, by the way?
Lady? Oh, she's fine. She's great, honestly.
Really? Are you lying to me?
No, why would I be lying to you? She's great.
Oh, well, okay. Has she ever gotten rowdy with you? Like, at all?
She has a little bit.
Alright. Well, at that point, just give her treats. It calms her down. Or maybe a toy? I don't know. Just do anything, because she's probably just trying to mess with you.
Does lady have like a consciousness or something? How does a cat know how to mess with a person?
Cats do that sometimes. I don't know. She has a high intelligence.
Oh, no wonder why you have her as a pet.
Well, no matter. Good to know she's okay.
Yeah, I guess. Well, I'll talk to you later.
Alright. See ya.
See ya. But, lady. And you just let her do that, Buzz? Ugh. Lady, get out of the thing. I can't take care of a cat. It's too hard.
Oh, there goes the sun. Alright. Maybe I should go back now. There we go. Is Luna gonna be okay with the cat? She can be a bit tough sometimes. I'm sure he's fine. There we go. What the fuck? Anyways. Oh, shit!
I've had my cry. I'm okay. Alright, lady. It's time for bed. What do you mean, no? It's time for bed. When I say it's time for bed, it's time for bed. What do you want, treats? Okay, I'll get you treats. I got you treats. Here. More? Okay. Here you go. More? Okay. Whatever it takes to make you go to sleep. I probably shouldn't have had these on standby. More? You want more? Okay, I'll get more. Alright, I got you as many treats as you want. Some of them are out of the package, some of them are still in the package. With this, will you go to bed, please? You're happy now? Okay, let's go to bed. Now go to sleep. You don't go to sleep at your bed. You sleep in Eclipse's bed. You go to Eclipse's bed. Okay, fine. You don't have any treats, Buzz Buzz. There's no bee treats. I know I'm letting her control me, but she's Eclipse's cat. I can't do anything about it. I have to clean this up. What? You'll help me? Okay. Go ahead. Whoa, Buzz Buzz. Damn. Damn. You didn't tell me you were this starving. You'll have the rest? Are you sure you can digest all this? I mean, you're just a tiny bee. Well, okay, go ahead. Well, I'm gonna go clean the kitchen, Buzz Buzz. Be right back. Surprised Eclipse hasn't called me yet. Maybe he's already asleep. Well, I really hope his vacation is going well. 'Cause I know mine isn't. Alright. Well, it's all clean. Hey, Buzz Buzz, how's the cleaning go? Oh my goodness. Well, you sure know how to put it away. Come on. Let's just go to bed. I'm tired. Very tired. Good night, Buzz Buzz. You want to sleep in the cat's bed? Okay. I can't go near that. I'm not going near that. Oh, you're still here, man. Yeah, this is kind of where I stay. Hey, do you have a spare sleeping bag, maybe? Nah, man, sorry, that's my only one. Besides, I was, like, trapped in there for, like, a week. You don't want to use that. No, you're right. What was wrong? What's up with your room? Yes, there's bees. There's bees next to it. I can't handle bees. Oh, I'm sorry, man. You get what you pay for. Alright. Nope. This is the only room with a door.
That was not a good sleep. Okay. Look at my stuff. Alright. First day was not a great stay. That's for sure. But that's fine, because the next place I'm probably gonna like. The Green Outdoors is cool and all, but it's kind of not my style. Look, Lunar? Hello?
Eclipse, I can't do this anymore.
What do you mean you can't do this anymore?
I'm so tired. Please, taking care of your cat is a chore.
Lady is not that bad, Lunar. You told me she was doing fine. Bees! Bees!
What?
Sorry, I forgot to put on the net curtain. There's bees next to my room.
Are you at the place where I got my buzz?
Yes, I am.
Oh. Speaking of buzz is not feeling good.
What's wrong with him?
He has a tummy ache.
But why, though? The bees don't eat.
I'd rather not even tell you.
Okay. Well, like I said before, if she gets rowdy with you, just give her some treats. She'll be fine.
Yeah, she was definitely happier when I got her some treats. Look, lady!
What's she doing now?
She's pooping on the floor! She's pooping everywhere! Ugh. Eclipse, I can't do this. Just please come home.
I'm sorry, Lunar, but maybe you should try calling for... I don't know, maybe you should try calling for help. Because, I can't come here. I took a plane here.
Okay, I'll call somebody. Maybe I'll call Son, I don't know.
Alright, just call anybody. Maybe Son, because he knows how to take care of a cat since he has one.
Alright. Well, goodbye.
Goodbye. That poor Lunar, you sound so tired. I really hope Lady's not that much of a hassle. Alright, I'm gone. Goodbye.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Son, pick up! Hello? Hi, it's Lunar.
Oh, hello, Lunar. What's up?
I'm taking care of Eclipse's cat, and this cat is gonna drive me insane! Please. I really need your help.
Oh, well, how long is Eclipse gone for?
I don't know. He's gonna come back when he comes back.
Oh, I'm sorry, Lunar. I'm gonna, I don't think maybe,
It's alright if you can't, Son. I'll take care of her myself.
no, I feel like I can, but, the daycare is open, and I have to, go to work at the same time. It's fine. I'll make it work. I'll come over to your place once I'm done with the daycare, and then I'll help with your little cat situation, okay?
Okay. Please come here as soon as you can, if you can make it.
Alright then. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Alright, lady. You are gonna stay in the shower until Son comes. I don't have time to deal with this.
That was a strange phone call. I really hope Lunar's gonna be okay once I get back.
Mr. Son?
Yes?
What was the call about?
Oh, my friend is just having a bit of a cat situation. He'll be okay.
Okay.
Oh, this place is so untidy. Sir, do you not clean this place? What? Do you not clean this place? It's a mess. So, you have to clean it. I don't care. Of course you don't, because you're an old man. What? Nothing. Nothing. I didn't say nothing. That block is shaped like a penis.
It's a penis.
Don't ask. Okay. Well, it's almost 5. I could probably make it. Lunar, I'm here to... Oh my goodness, what happened in here?
Son, thank goodness you came.
Where's the cat?
She's in the shower.
Alright, let's calm down, please. Hey. What's her name?
Her name's Lady.
Lady, can you calm down, please? Lady. Oh, she's really at it, isn't she? Lady, calm down. Calm down, lady. I know you don't like it in there. Okay, let me take you out, alright? There we go. What happened in here?
She started pooping everywhere.
Okay. Well, that's not a big deal. Pets poop. Did you forget to clean her litter box?
I'm supposed to clean it?
Yes, you're supposed to clean her litter box. If not, she'd poop on the floor.
Oh. I guess I forgot.
It's alright, Lunar. It's your first time anyways. Alright. Alright, lady. I want you to go sit on the couch as I help Lunar with your little mess, okay? Okay.
What took you so long, son?
Well, Lunar, I'm a daycare attendant. What do you expect? I have to take care of kids all day.
I know, but you usually never take that long.
Oh, well, I did kind of get sidetracked. I went to the wrong house at first. But then your little furry friend told me that you were in Eclipse's house.
Furry friend? You mean the little hairball that I have?
Yes, him. That's a pet? That's a pet?
Yes, that's a pet.
It's kind of a strange pet to have.
Son, I have a beaver pet. What do you expect from me?
Yeah, that's true. Okay. You don't need to cry no more, Lunar. It's okay.
Okay. She's just a bit of a hassle, that's all.
Lady! Hey, lady. I see you've been causing Lunar quite a bit of a hassle. And Lunar, he's here to take care of you. He's not here to hurt you.
Wait, is that why she's been doing all this to me?
Well, some cats just aren't used to other people. This Eclipse's cat might have trust issues. That's all I have to say.
Oh. So she doesn't hate me?
No, she's just not used to you.
Why is she used to you?
Well, me and Eclipse look the same.
You're wearing those fucking 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, along with that nasty ass sweater with them green ass pants.
Well,
Eclipse has better taste than you, my guy.
well, I'm sure she thinks we still look the same. Come on. Oh, you stink. You need a bath.
You wash her in the sink?
Don't you wash your pets in the sink?
No.
I mean, you don't have a bathtub here. Besides, she's too small for the shower.
Really? Is that what I've been getting wrong this whole time?
Lady, calm down, lady. It's just water. It's just water. There you go.
How is she so calm with you? How is she so nice with you? But with me, she's mean.
Like I said, Lunar, she's just not used to you. Alright, let's come out here and dry off. Where does she sleep?
Within the pillows that Buzz is in.
Oh. You stay right here, lady.
I know, it is bullshit.
Alright. Well, that's exactly how Eclipse has her, right? She sits on the bed and then she just sleeps on his bed?
Yes, it's exactly how it is.
Great. Now, should probably go before the sun sets because I'm sure Moon doesn't want to take care of a little cat. So, I'll get going.
Are you sure you don't want to stay here? I can't take care of this cat by myself.
I'll have to ask him myself, okay?
Okay.
Is there a dark room I can go to?
No.
Alright. I guess I'll just have to wait. Mind helping taking care of the cat? Oh, Lunar. Hey, wake up. Hey, what does Sun mean by help you take care of a cat? Wait, you want me to supervise it or something?
I don't know. It's gonna do something in my sleep.
Well, if it ever does anything, I'll be here to watch.
Really? Thanks.
You just take a rest. I'll watch the cat.
Okay. Thanks so much, Moon. Did anything happen? No? Oh. Well, that's good. At least you're okay. Oh, she's happy. It's great. Oh. Hello?
Hi, Lunar.
Hi, Eclipse.
So, how's Lady? Is she okay?
Yeah, she's great. Sun and Moon just came in. Sunny helped me take care of her, and, well, Moon watched her during the night.
Oh, so they did come, after all. Great. So, did I even tell you when I was coming back?
No, you didn't actually.
Oh. Well, I'm coming back today.
Today? Why?
Apparently, for my second place, a big storm happened where they lived,
Uh-huh.
so my vacation got canceled.
Oh. I see.
So you're gonna have to take care of her for, like, a couple more hours until I'm back.
Okay. I'll try.
Alright. See you then.
See you then. You hear that, Buzz? Eclipse is gonna come back. Yay. And now to deal with you. My goodness. Sonny left the paper and pen here. My goodness. I better take this back to Eclipse's desk. Make sure. Oh my goodness! Again? I can't catch a break with this freaking cat. Okay. A couple more hours. I can do a couple more hours. Why do you go to the bathroom so excessively? She doesn't like it until I can get some peace from the cat. I've got my eye on you. Okay? Meow all you want. Watch TV and stay there, please. It's a good thing sun and moon came. 'Cause if not, it would be a lot worse. I'm just gonna... What? What, Buzz? Oh my goodness! Lady! Stop, lady. Oh my goodness. No, lady. You stay on the couch. On the couch. Please. I'm asking so nicely. Please stay on the couch. Here's a toy. You like toys, right? You like the toy? Good. Now stay. Stay where I can see you. I know you tried to warn me. Buzz, can you supervise, please? Okay. Wait a minute. Why am I trying to leave that thing alone by itself? If I go back. What the fuck? How does this happen? Lady, no, don't play with the trash. Lady, I have had it with you. Don't make me punish you. Oh, you're happy? You think this is funny? Well, I'll show you fucking funny. Come on. Yeah, you like that? Huh? You like being in the shower? Huh? You stay right there. As I freaking watch until Eclipse comes back.
That's disappointing. Oh well. Good to be home. Lunar? Lunar?
Oh. Hi, Clipsy.
Where's Lady?
Lady?
Yeah, where's Lady at? Lunar, why is Lady in the shower? She doesn't like it in there.
I know.
Come on, Lady. You just sit right here in your little bed. Good girl. You're such a good girl.
Yeah.
Such a good girl. Well, even if she was a little bit of a hassle, I really thank you for looking after her, Lunar. And, I think you should probably go home and rest. You do not look good.
Thank you, Eclipse. I will now get going. Never in my life have I ever been so happy to go home after a long day of just taking care of this fucking cat. Alright, goodbye.
Goodbye. You weren't that much of a hassle, were you? No, you weren't. I know you weren't. Now, time to unpack. Well, I'm doubting I doubt Lunar would want to, take care of you next time I go on a trip. I guess I'll just have to ask Sun next time. Up, back to business.